Hi guys, if you want to find and replace words in Google Docs, then let's see how to do it. For the example, let's say you have a Google Docs document like this, and let's say you want to find the word plants and replace it with some other words. So to find and replace words in Google Docs, first of all select the word you want to find. In this document, I want to find the word plants. So I will simply select the word plants, and after selecting, go to edit. And now here you will see this option, find and replace. Simply click on it. And now on find and replace dialog box, you will be able to see how many times the word you are searching exists. Here you can see right now, the plant word exists 16 times on this whole document. And now let's say I want to replace the word plants with trees. So in the replace with section, I will simply type the word I want to replace with. So here I will simply type the word trees. And after typing the word you want to replace with, simply click on replace all button here. And now all the plants word will be replaced with the trees. So let's check it out. Close the dialog box. And now you can see all the plants word has been replaced with trees. You can see here it is, here. Let's see one more time. For the example, this time let's say you want to find the word native and replace it with some other word. So for that, first of all select the word native, and then click on edit option here, and then click on find and replace option. Here you can see on this document native word exists 20 times. Let's say I want to replace the word native with local. So here in the replace with section, I will simply type the word local, and then simply click on replace all button here. And now all the native word will be replaced with the word local. Let's check it out. Here you can see all the native words has been replaced with the word local. Here, here, and everywhere wherever there was the word native. And in case if you are looking for the shortcut key to find and replace words in Google Docs, for that simply press the Ctrl+F key on your keyboard like this, and this find in document search box will appear. And from here you can find any word you want. Let's say I want to find the word birds. So I'll simply type the word birds. Now here you can see the word birds exists 9 times on this document. Let's say you want to replace it with some other word. For that, simply click on this 3 dot icon. And now here you can type any word you want to replace it with. Let's say I want to replace the word birds with the word parrot. So here I will simply type the word parrot, and then click on replace all button here. And now all the birds word in this document will be replaced with the word parrot. Let's close it, and you can see all the birds word has been replaced with the word parrot. You can see here it is, here it is. So you can see how simple it is to find and replace words in Google Docs. You have to simply go to the edit section, click on find and replace option here, and from here you can find and replace any words you want. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily find and replace words in Google Docs. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.